Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about binary phase shift keying concept. Simply binary phase shift keying or coherent binary phase shift keying. The binary phase shift keying is the most efficient technique out of the three digital modulation techniques. In digital communication system, basically there are three types of digital modulation techniques that are ASK, FSK and PSK. And out of these three techniques, binary phase shift keying is the most efficient technique. Hence, binary phase shift keying is used for high bit rates. Binary phase shift keying is used for high bit rates. In binary phase shift keying, the phase of the sinusoidal carrier is changed according to the data bit to be transmitted. Also, a bipolar non-return to zero signal is used to represent the digital data coming from the digital source. Phase shift keying is now widely used in both military applications and commercial communication system applications. So this is the definition of the binary phase shift keying and applications of the phase shift keying, binary phase shift keying. So next coming to expression for binary phase shift key. In binary phase shift keying, the binary symbols 1 and binary symbol 0 modulates the phase of the carrier. So let us consider the carrier signal is given by S of t is equal a cos of omega ct or a cos of 2 pi fc, 2 pi fct, where omega c is the angular cutoff frequency. So omega c is equal to 2 pi fc. Now here in this equation, capital A is the amplitude or peak value of the sinusoidal carrier, and it is given by the peak value of the sinusoidal carrier is given by P is equal A square by 2. So therefore amplitude A is equal square root of 2p. For the standard 1 ohm load resistor, the power dissipated is P is equal to A square by 2. From this equation, the magnitude capital A is equal square root of 2p. Now, when the phase of the symbol is changed, means it changes from binary symbol 1 to binary symbol 0 or binary symbol 0 to binary symbol 1. Then the phase of the carrier will also be changed. So the amount, the phase of the carrier will also be changed by an amount of 180 degrees. Once again, now when the symbol is changed, that meaning is it changing from binary symbol 1 to binary symbol 0 or binary symbol 0 to binary symbol 1. Then the phase of the carrier wave will also be changed by an amount of 180 degrees. So let us consider, for example, for binary symbol 1. And what is the carrier wave of the signal? Carrier wave of the sinusoidal signal A into cos of 2 pi fct, where capital A is square root of 2p. So therefore the carrier signal is square root of 2p into cos of 2 pi fct for binary symbol 1. So for binary symbol 1, the resultant expression is the carrier signal is S1 of t is equal square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct, and for binary symbol 0, the resultant expression is, the suitable expression is square root of 2p into cos of 2 pi fct plus pi. Now here, when the symbol is changed, then the phase of the carrier will also be changed. So in this equation, the phase angle is 0 degrees, and in this equation, the phase angle is 180 degrees. For binary symbol 1, the phase angle is 0 degrees, and for binary symbol 0, the phase angle is 180 degrees. But we know that cos of pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Applying this condition into this equation, we get S2 of t is equal minus square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct. Now, using equation 1 and equation 2, we can define the binary phase shift keying signal combinedly can be written as combining using equation 1 and equation 2, the combined definition of BSK signal is given by or defined as S of t is equal B of t into square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct, where p is the power signal. The power p is equal EB by TB, where E suffix b is the bit energy, T suffix b is the bit duration. E suffix b is the bit energy signal, T suffix b is the bit duration, where B of t is equal plus 1 when binary bit 1 is to be transmitted, and B of t is equal to minus 1 when binary bit 0 is to be transmitted. So now here in this table we can observe that binary symbol 0 and binary symbol 1, and binary symbol 0 mean that is low in voltage level in binary data sequence. Binary bit 1 mean high in voltage in the binary data sequence. And bipolar non-return to 0, high in voltage is represented by binary symbol 1 and low in voltage is represented by binary symbol 0. So now here in this equation, substitute B of t is equal, if binary bit 1 is transmitted, B of t is equal to 1, then the carrier signal is square root of 2p cos of 2 pi ct. In that equation, the phase angle or the phase difference is 0 degrees, and substitute B of t is equal to minus 1. So B of t is equal to minus 1 means when binary symbol 0 is to be transmitted, the resultant carrier signal is B of S of t is equal minus square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct. In that equation, the phase angle is 180 degrees. And that is mathematical expressions of coherent binary phase shift keying. Next, coming to geometrical representation for coherent binary phase shift keying signals. So we know that binary phase shift keying signal carries the information about two symbols. These two symbols are binary symbol 1 and binary symbol 0. We can represent binary phase shift keying signal geometrically to show these two symbols. So we know that the expression of the binary phase shift keying is S of t is equal B of t into square root of 2p cos of 2 pi fct, where p is the power signal and that power signal p is equal EB by TB, and substitute the power signal value into this equation, we get S of t is equal B of t into square root of 2 EB by TB into cos of 2 pi fct. The RHS term of this equation may also be arranged as S of t is equal B of t into square root of EB into square root of 2 by TB into cos of 2 pi fct. So which is equal B of t into square root of EB pi 1 of t, where pi 1 of t is the orthogonal carrier signal or phase signal, orthogonal carrier signal or basis function, and this orthogonal carrier signal pi 1 of t is square root of 2 by TB cos of 2 pi fct, where B of t is equal plus or minus 1. If B of t is equal to plus 1, binary bit 1 is transmitted, and B of t is equal to minus 1, binary bit 0 is to be transmitted. So B of t is equal to plus or minus. So plus means binary bit 1 is transmitted, minus means binary bit 0 is to be transmitted. So therefore S of t is equal plus or minus square root of EB into pi 1 of t. E suffix b is the bit energy. The bit energy is defined in terms of power and bit duration. So therefore, the bit duration E suffix b is equal P into TB. So now here in the above equation, V of t is simply plus or minus 1. Thus, on the single axis of pi 1 of t, there will be 2 points. There will be 2 points. So the 2 points are, and one point is plus square root of EB and binary bit 1 is transmitted, that is a message point 1. And the second point is minus square root of EB, and which is the message signal to message point 2. So from this figure, it is clearly observed that the distance between 2 points, and the distance between 2 points is small d, that is Euclidean distance. And the distance d is equal upper point minus lower point. Upper point is message point 1 and lower point is message point 2. So therefore, distance d is equal square root of EB minus square root of EB is equal 2 times of square root of EB. So this is the geometrical representation of binary phase shift keying signal or signal space diagram for coherent binary phase shift keying signal.